Hello, in front of me I've got Blink Outdoor 4. In this video I'll show you how to use holder. In the beginning, in the original box of each camera, you can find these tools. Right here we've got the screws, thanks to which we can install this holder to the wall. In the beginning, install the holder in the place you would like your camera to be at. Next, thanks to this tool, you can, for example, install your holder on the ceiling. Simply push the tool here . Okay, we've got this. And now you can simply install the camera here. To uninstall it, simply push it back. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.